This is how you can become a professional video editor in 60 days. Now, firstly, you must have a laptop. It could be Windows, it could be Mac OS machine, it could be Linux, or it could even be a desktop. Make sure you have yourself a machine. Once you have a machine, the next thing you're going to do is to go online, find these two video editor that is almost free. Not absolutely free, but almost free. One, CapCut. CapCut is one of the popular video editing tools that was designed by TikTok. Now, it has the mobile version, and I know many of you have come across that. You have the mobile version, also have a Windows version and a Mac OS version. Make sure you download this on your PC, install it. Once it is installed, open it, and it is very easy. The interface is very simple, as you can see in this video. It's very simple. Okay, the next thing you're going to do after you are downloaded that video editing software on your PC is also go back online and download DaVinci Resolve. I think currently it should be 19.1 or so, which is also free, but not absolutely free, but there are free tools in it that you can play around and make yourself a professional video editor in 60 days. Number 4, get yourself on YouTube. Find video editors. Find video editor with wild followers. Nigerian video editor. Find them. Find Indian video editor. Find a video editor that you can follow. Learn on the platform. Understand how you can do overlay, on how you can have B-roll footages on your video. Once you get these things, you will be able to edit your own professional login video in 60 days. Number 5, go and look for pixel. Now, the essence of you looking for pixel, there are a lot of footages out of video footages there, or pictures are also there. You can download these things for free and make them as your B-roll. So for example, you are talking about a specific topic, like maybe you want to teach Excel. There are marketing tools out there in Pixel that you can download and make it your B-roll footages, so you will be able to understand and do more practice. From there, in 60 days, you'll come back and say thank you. Kindly share this video to reach the soul who want to learn how to edit video. See you in my next video.